So you've heard of content marketing and you're curious if your business could benefit from it, or perhaps you've been doing content marketing for a while and you're looking for some additional direction and advice. If so, you are in the right place. My name is Chris Marr. I am the founder and director of the Content Marketing Academy. It's the first thing we do, right? When we need help with something or we think something might work for our business, we jump online and we look for information to help us decide if it's going to be useful for us. In this case, you're looking for a content marketing workshop to help you feel more confident and get better results from your marketing. So what is it that I can help you with? So perhaps you have a website and you want to increase performance, more traffic, more leads, more sales. Perhaps you've been creating content for a while, but you aren't getting the results that you are hoping for and you need some advice and some direction. Maybe you've hired an agency, a marketing agency or an SEO agency, and they just aren't getting the results that you are looking for. Or maybe you're spending a lot of money on advertising and pay-per-click ads and it's just not getting the results you're looking for, and you want to find a way to reduce the amount of money you're spending on advertising and get better results through content marketing. In other words, you want to feel more confident about your marketing and you want to get a better return on your marketing. And content marketing is definitely one of the best ways to do that. Now, marketing is one of the fastest changing landscapes in business today. So it's no surprise that our workshops change every time. No workshop has ever been the same. The information changes, the content changes, it evolves and improves over time. So when you attend one of our workshops, it is the best version of that workshop to date. I've run dozens of workshops over the years. I've spoken all over the world about content marketing, and it is my mission to give you the best information on content marketing and what matters right now so that you can leave the workshop and get the best results possible. So at our workshops, we don't mess about. I want to teach you in the shortest time possible how to get results from content marketing. You will leave the workshop with your own ideas, things that you can put into practice and implement in your business right away. And with my direction and advice, you'll know exactly what to do to get the best results. So what is it that we actually cover during the workshop? Now, the workshops are typically a half day, so from 9:30 till 12:30, but don't be concerned, this is plenty of time to make a big impact. Like I said earlier, we want to teach you in the shortest time possible. We don't want to do a whole day workshop because that's the convention and then fill it full of waffle. A half day is a brilliant amount of time. You come in, you spend some time with us, and you can leave, get back to the office, get on with your day, and perhaps even go and spend more time with your family. I'd love to give you a broad overview of what we're going to cover on the workshop. And each segment, there's a challenge for you. You're going to be spending a lot of time in your notepad, which we'll give you, writing down all your ideas and how you're going to implement this stuff into your business right away. So here's a broad overview. First of all, we are going to discuss the change in consumer behaviour and how that impacts all businesses and how businesses need to change the way that they communicate in order to attract customers to their business. We'll talk about the zero moment of truth and how consumers seek and find and use information to help them make buying decisions. I'm also going to help you to understand exactly what you need to do to structure and optimize your content for the best results. So instead of you figuring all of this stuff out on your own, I'm going to fast track you to this is exactly what you need to do to optimize your content for the best results. I have got dozens of examples to show you, and I'm going to take you through step by step so you know exactly what to do. I'm going to show you how content marketing leads to sales and how marketing and sales need to work together to get the best results. I'm also going to show you how to measure the results of content marketing as well, so you can understand that you are making progress and that you are getting results from your content marketing. And again, I'm going to share stories and case studies and examples with you so you can understand exactly what you should be looking for at what stage of the journey. And finally, before you leave the workshop, I want to know what actions you're going to take. We're going to document them, and I'm going to check back in with you to make sure that you are taking the action that you said you were going to take. There's no point in coming to the workshop and spending this time learning this if you're not going to do something with it. So it's my mission to not only deliver to you the most impactful information that you need right now to get results from your marketing, but also that you do something with it. This workshop is suitable for entrepreneurs, marketers, business people, in-house marketers. It's suitable for anybody really that wants to understand better content marketing and how to get results from content marketing. The tickets start from £47. That's for the first 10 people that sign up, and then the tickets are £97 thereafter. Now it's massively affordable. It's possibly the most affordable content marketing workshop and experience in Scotland, perhaps even the UK. My mission is to fast track you to getting results as quickly as possible. So if you want to be challenged and you want to feel more confident about marketing and content and digital marketing, this is the workshop that you need to be at. We have availability in our sessions on the 30th of March, the 20th of July and the 21st of September. And as a bonus, we're also going to give you a CMA starter pack. So come along and join us at one of our sessions. Just click a link in or around this video or visit our website cmauk.co.uk, and you can also email me chris@cmauk.co.uk, and I hope to see you at one of our sessions this year in 2018. Don't forget to be awesome.